Hi folks, just a quick video today for you. I've come across a tool for your YouTube videos. It's a free tool and it collects tags for your YouTube videos. So if you're struggling to get tags or think of tags that you can put in your YouTube videos, this is just the tool for you. So before we go any further, if you haven't done already, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the box if you've got any questions. So we'll head off over to the free tool now and we'll see you there. Okay folks, so here we are at rapidtags.io/generator. Now I'll leave the link below this video in the description so that you can find it okay, but it's quite a plain looking site. It's just got this little box here to enter your YouTube title and this will generate your YouTube tags. And it also does do TikTok tabs. That's a bit of a mouthful. TikTok tags. But I know nothing about TikTok, so I might look into that in the future and do another video in the future on that. So you will need a notepad or a clipboard from your computer to put your tags in. So I'm going to head over to YouTube and just pick a random video out. So here we are. I'll borrow this nice fella's title, so I'll just copy his title here from his video. Just copy that there, head back over to Rapid Tags, and here is where you enter the title of your video. So we enter the title there and then we just press search and this will generate the tags based on the title of your YouTube video. So we'll just, and there we go. Now it's created all these tags here. So we just copy that and bring my clipboard up there and paste them in there. Now what I have found is that if you refresh it again, it sometimes generates more tags, and it has done again. Now some of these might be the same, but you can copy them and then paste them on here onto your clipboard, and like you can see, they are some of these are different to the ones what you've already got. Now I wouldn't say you would do that any more than 3 times because you'll probably get the same results. So yeah, it's bringing up the same results, so just do it twice. So you've got plenty of tags there to be using for your YouTube videos. So just a quick recap. All you do is get the title of your YouTube video, paste it into this area here and click on the little icon there and it will create your YouTube tags. Okay folks, so we'll do another video on the TikTok tags later on, I think. Okay. So there you have it, another nice little tool for you there if you want to create your tags for your YouTube videos. And if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments box below, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you're interested in any future videos coming out, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Stay safe.